Konnichiwa. Welcome to this video, which is about time expressions related to weeks, months, and years. You will learn how to say words like this week, next month, last year, and so on in Japanese. You will also learn how to pronounce them correctly, so please watch it till the end. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to sub below, and if the video is good for you, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Let me begin with the word konshu, which means this week. The kanji, which is the Chinese character of konshu, consists of two characters. The first one, which means now, and the second one, which means week. So, konshu literally means this week in Japanese. Next, let us see the other words related to the past and future weeks. Senshu is the week before last. Senshu is last week. Raishu is next week. And Saraishu is the week after next. Let me pronounce them once. Senshu, Senshu, Konshu, Raishu, Saraishu. The next word which you must remember is mai, which means every. If you have watched my previous video, you would have already learned this word. Just add mai to shu and it becomes maishu, which means every week. If you are doing something repeatedly every week and if you want to express it in Japanese, then this word maishu will be helpful. Let me go to the next word, kongetsu, which means this month. The kanji, which is the Chinese character of kongetsu, consists of two characters. The first one, which means now, and the second one, which means month. So, kongetsu literally means this month in Japanese. Next, let us see the other words related to the past and future months. Sengetsu is the month before last. Sengetsu is last month. Raigetsu is next month. And Saraigetsu is the month after next. Let me pronounce them once. Sengetsu, Sengetsu, Kongetsu, Raigetsu, Saraigetsu. If you want to say that this month is May, then in Japanese you will say kongetsu wa 5月 desu. The kanji for month has another Japanese reading and it is pronounced as tsuki. It is not tsuki but tsuki. Just add mai to tsuki and it becomes maitsuki, which means every month. If you are doing something repeatedly every month and if you want to express it in Japanese, then this word maitsuki will be helpful. Let me go to the next word, kotoshi, which means this year. The kanji, which is the Chinese character of kotoshi, consists of two characters. The first one, which means now, and the second one, which means year. So, kotoshi literally means this year in Japanese. Next, let us see the other words related to the past and future years. Ototoshi is the year before last. Kyonen is last year. Rainen is next year. And Sarainen is the year after next. Actually, the words toshi and nen both have the same meaning, which is year. But depending on the situation, different words are used. You will learn about them later on, but for the time being, just remember these 5 words. Ototoshi, kyonen, kotoshi, rainen, sarainen. If you want to say that next year is 2023, then in Japanese you will say Rainen wa 2023 nen desu. The next word which you must remember is maitoshi, which means every year. If you are doing something repeatedly every year and if you want to express it in Japanese, then this word maitoshi will be helpful. In my previous video, you learned that the particle no connects a noun with another and is used to show possession or belonging to. Let us see how to add the same particle no in between the words which you learned just now. Senshu is last week, doyobi is Saturday, so if I use the particle no to connect these two words, I will get senshu no doyobi. It means the Saturday of last week, or I can say last Saturday. Let me take another example. Raigetsu is next month, 10th is toka, so if I use the particle no to connect these two words, I will get Raigetsu no toka, which means the 10th of next month. Let me take one more example. Kotoshi is this year, 5月 is May, so if I use the particle no to connect these two words, I will get kotoshi no 5月, which means the month May of this year. Okay? On similar lines, if you use the particle no and connect any year and month, or any month and day, or any week and day, you will be able to tell it correctly in Japanese. So that is it. I hope this video was useful. If you found the video good, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.